Hi, my name is Kumar and I am a 59-year-old. With age comes the familiar struggle of back aches and pains, a condition which I myself greatly suffer from. Today I'm here to tell you that prevention is always better than a cure. Good health supplements come a long way in healing our body, and taking the right ones could mean never having to knock on the doctor's door again. Your physique well-being should always be priority. Today I'm beginning my journey to healthy living by taking Stemregen myself. After 2 months of consuming Stemregen, I took 2 tablets a day for the first 3 weeks, one in the morning and one in the night. I was disappointed because I didn't see much improvement. By the way, I took Stemregen because I find difficulty to kneel down and get up again, and I also have a backache. So I told the representatives of Stemregen, hey, no improvement. Then they told me to increase taking 4 tablets a day. Why? Because the higher the number of circulating stem cells, the greater the ability of the body to heal itself. So I did the 4 weeks and the whole following month. To my surprise, I felt the improvement. I can kneel and my backache has slightly improved too. But I believe if I keep on taking it, my backache will definitely go away in no time. You need to increase more stem cells to repair your body's tissue. Thank you.